that we are streaming, so Tanmay, this is the question to you. Before you started streaming, right? And I know that you are the kind of person who does a stupid amount of research before you do anything and all that kind of stuff. What is your did you have any like three of us were talking about the fact that we thought that streaming is bullshit because we are comedians and we are above all of this shit and go fuck yourself, we are talent. Did you have that, or were you coming in from a different perspective when you started?
No, but I was never that. I was never very. I'm a comedian, so I am X worth, and I won't do anything beneath me. Like, एक तो नाम में बकचोद डाल दिया था हमने. हम लोग कुछ भी करता रहा. Live stand up ने हम podcast live करेगा. Like, so I was never that, and I've always felt that the comedy scene, there is a certain status in aping the Western world, right? Like the Western comedy scene. Like, oh, they do specials, that's why specials are important to us. Oh, they do X, so X is important to us. So that's why I've never had that problem. I just started streaming because logically speaking, we went from YouTube, which is people creating canned content, writing it, to then stories. By the way, have you seen stories are everywhere now? Like fucking LinkedIn has stories.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We went from creating canned content to highlights of your day, which is micro content, just show the world what your highlight of the day was. To logically, the next step was I will give you content while it's happening, which is streaming. So my thesis was this is the next 10 years. So let's try it. Also, most importantly, I was depressed and addicted to watching streams. So I was like, this, it just makes sense. There must be millions who will feel the same thing. Imagine watching Mahabharat, right? And imagine sending super chat to Yudhishthir and he replies back immediately via the TV. Like that's the high that you get in streaming, right? It's bi-directional interactivity. So ये सब reverse बकचोदी है ये, but the core feeling was that ये अगला 10 साल चलेगा. That's why I just ended up doing it. मैं क्या है यार 10-12 लोग. It's like we somehow also started with such low stakes, right? Like there's nothing to lose. Yeah. I was just telling someone, it's like advertising. I was telling someone yesterday saying when people make ads, it's like throwing a dart on a dartboard. Every time you get a bullseye, you get another dart. This time it's a slightly more expensive dart. But if you don't hit, nobody sees the darts on the floor. Nobody sees those. So there is no penalty for being bad at advertising. Do you know anyone who has made bad ads? No, you don't. You just don't. You just don't remember bad ads. That's the thing.
Listen, 4 of us are here. And we've done brand work. A lot of it is
horrible. मेरे को पूरा गंदे वाले याद आ रहे हैं. यार तन्मय क्या कह रहा है मेरे अभी आगा परसों यार MPL में.
No, but that's the thing. किसी को मालूम ही नहीं ना तू हगा. अभी लोग तूने बोल दिया करके जाके देखेगा वो लोग. But trying something new is like that. Like if it fails, nobody sees it, so there's nothing at stake there. That was the point I was trying to make.
Yeah, honestly, like I've always looked up to Tanmay's advice and everything. That's why when he had advised me to start streaming, he was so right. He was saying, dude, the next 1 year at least, only this is going to happen. Get yourself a setup, get this, get that. And I was like, okay, you know what? I don't know what I'm getting into, but if he's saying it, he must be right. And I just got it, and he was just right.
And it almost didn't happen, Samay. I was trying to make a vlog of gifting Samay a laptop and a setup. Okay? Yeah. But the brand which was supposed to send it was just delaying it for far too long. So I'm telling Samay, no, ye dusra laptop is much better. You know, I'm speaking to the guys, etc., etc. Then Samay was like, "Hat banchod, main kharid raha hai." What would happen?
Yeah. But बहुत मेरे को ऐसे I have become very sentimental when that day I found out that Tanmay was trying to actually gift me a PC. That's why he was telling me don't get this laptop, it's not good, don't get me. I was like, यार, I have to get one now. I have to start streaming.
अच्छा vlog निकलता रहा. Anyway मैं पुनः के कुछ देगा उससे react करना बराबर से.
This is a weird. So the darts on the floor is an interesting analogy, analogy.
Yes.
Which is that what are your darts on the floor as comedians where you've tried something and like Nishant, like I'm sure you have, right? And because we've been doing stand-up for like 63 years, like me. So what are the darts? Because I'm trying to think back on like even this show, right? The show started as me just deciding that I'm going to do a daily show where I'm just talking to the audience. I don't care how it goes. I did 15 back-to-back episodes.
What are some experiments that failed, essentially?
Yeah, what are the experiments that failed? Either during the lockdown, even prior, where you're like, and it's so interesting about the fun element, right? If you're having fun doing it, or if you're coming in with like, this is going to be big and it's not, then it's probably not going to.
I'll just connect my laptop to charge.
So it's hilarious because right now that experience has got nothing to me do with me being a comic. Right now, what I'm doing since last 2 weeks, which I was supposed to do, the reason I moved to Delhi for a couple of months was to sell off some of the property I'd invested in, like back then, which is right now it doesn't, the market is not
Hmm.
doing so good. So that's what
Hmm.
I've been up to now, try to sell off and stuff. And
Hmm.
yeah, I'm like, मैं क्या सोच के कि मैं इतना भागा दौड़ी 5 साल पहले 6 साल पहले क्या सोच के सोचा था कि at this age I would enjoy this running around. It's not like selling shares and just sitting in the comfort of your home and with the click you're getting rid of whatever you want to.
Hmm.
This is meeting property dealers, and I have changed in those 5 6 years. I don't want to do this. I don't enjoy this anymore. I getting out every day trying to figure out things and all of that. So I'm like, yeah, for me,
Hmm.
See,
yeah.
this is what happened in during the lockdown. Comedians अपना घर बेच रहे हैं. Like this is this is how.
That's
That's why
funny.
Nishant has got this virtual backdrop.
Yeah, I
Because
don't have a home, guys. This is
he's just
I
sitting
live
outside.
by the beach. Yeah,
नहीं तो हाँ, you're selling
Hmm.
property, but yeah, how is selling property during the lockdown, dude?
yeah. It's not great because the investment didn't turn out for some the way you expected it to be because of the lockdown. The market's down, but also because I'm planning to buy something else in Bombay, so I want to do that exchange right now. If it's not great here, it's not great there as well. So that sort of works out. Uh,
Hmm.
but हाँ वही है और बाकी तो I wanted to spend what we were talking to Tanmay about the streaming thing. It's hilarious. I cannot get over that conversation. We were recording for I think honestly ka channel ka first
Hmm.
second video about investments and all. And once the podcast was done, I was just literally just I was asking what you're up to these days, and he's like, I'm streaming. I've got the server at home. I'm doing this and that. And I'm like, this is before Corona, okay? And मेरे दिमाग में चला stand up क्या सही चीज है, I'm just fucking enjoying. हफ्ते में 4 दिन इधर उधर ये वो shows and live audience. हम like मैं क्या करता रहता पता नहीं. Cut to
Yeah.
6 months later, everybody's doing it. So yeah,
I think being funny is a superpower, right? And stand-up is one way of channeling it.
channeling,
Yeah.
yeah.
Stand-up is it's a craft, right? It's like writing a movie. It's like you sit down and you keep honing and you keep honing and you keep honing. And I think I think open mics are that feedback loop. But being funny is a superpower that if you extend that to other fields, you are naturally so much better than the current existing thing, right? Like I think
Yeah.
there's a tweet sort of by Naval. Naval had the tweet is escape competition through authenticity using specific knowledge, right? Like Samay is a fantastic example of it. When else could you combine comedy with chess and streaming? These are all, by the way, specific knowledge that Samay has. No other person exists with this combination. So every person can escape competition by being truly authentic to themselves, right? Like I think you are very good at holding conversations. So you were the first person to latch on to this. All right, I'm going to have a chat show on Zoom. I'm just giving an example of people can use what their most authentic self is and combine it with everything else to create a new cocktail of things. You just look
Yeah.
at any insanely successful person. There's always stuff that is so unique to them that they combined with other skills that other people use. So I think that is something that people don't think of. Like you'll see graphic designers, for example, right? Every graphic designer has their own style and then they combine. Like this one guy I know, he makes Simpsons very well, right?
Huh.
So he started an Instagram page. The whole Instagram page is just real life people in Simpsons. So real life celebrity in Simpsons. That's it. And it has 300,000 people because it just has one specific skill that he then merged with. Oh, I can make an Instagram page, etc., etc. So this, I think most people don't understand. My thesis was comedy and gaming doesn't exist. I think I can do this because I think this is specific to me. Like that, I think people should find what is their thing and then see how they can take it to a
Now
big.
that I think of it, like looking back, I think it fits because when I did not have this perspective, now that you gave it to me, I'm like, yeah, it makes sense. In my case, it was just that, okay, I'll know chess. I like playing chess. Might as well stream chess.
Correct.
That is the essence of what you are saying. Basically, to focus on your strengths rather than to emulate that things that's already happening
Correct.
and just try to be that. Because then you'll
Correct.
just be a, an emulation and maybe not exactly there, even
Correct.
below that.
Correct.
So rather do something that you know, and then even if you're something, you are unique.
Correct. And these ideas, they come when you're not thinking about other people. They come when you're only thinking about what you will do. Right. I've spent years thinking about competition and what other people are doing and how can we do that, etc., etc. But my best ideas have come when I have sit down and be like, how can I do what I
Yeah.
feel like doing?
Lockdown has really made me this person that you're talking about, because earlier when I was out there every day grinding in the mics, I used to see somebody with a joke and I wish I had that joke,
And yeah.
and then that competition, I have to kill more than this guy, I have to. Now I'm at home sitting at to myself and I'm like, fuck it, bhai,
and see the results, dude.
yeah,
It's insane,
I'm
right?
so happy, most importantly happy, that I am happy being here, being in this space where I don't give a shit. And now I think I have become this person who doesn't care about competition anymore.
Yeah, because there's too many members waiting on Discord to think about that stuff. I have to do this now. But yeah, overclocking your calendar also really helps. Like Samay is so entrepreneurial, he just does so much that you don't have time to think about other people also.
I think I should just become property dealer in that case.
No, but listen, there is that also, right? Even doing this shit on the side is a lot, right? Like if your day is packed, like if your day is not packed, I mean, not all the time, but if your day is not packed, then pack it.
Yes.
You can figure out shit to do. Like this, I mean, and packing it doesn't mean that you're just fucking doing work all the time. It could also be like fucking 2 घंटे के लिए मैं workout करूँगा. Or it's like I'm taking out 2 hours and like I'm still struggling with time management, which is why this show is always late. Because even though I do 11 o'clock, I hate the 11 o'clock timing because I'm always late by 6 minutes. If it was 11:30, I'd always be on time somehow because I wake up around.
What is it with you streaming in the morning. 11? Like you
अरे
don't like
खत्म हो
live
जाता है
watching?
ना, खत्म हो जाता है. Like I don't have to take stress because evening, so 5 to 7, so 5 to about 6:30 I play with my kids, 6:30 to 7:30 I'm cooking for them, then it's kid time, then it's blah blah blah, फिर कोई बोलेगा कि भाई corporate show है Zoom पे वो कर लो, and that's
Makes sense.
honestly paying you way more than super chats. But also
Yeah.
more importantly, I feel that there are only 2 times I can have my brain active. One is in the morning and one is late at night, like some of you guys do. Like उस time पे there's silence all around and you have the time to be in your own head. Otherwise, the rest of the day is just like the 6 p.m. ones, the 4 p.m. ones are the worst. Yeah, it's just you have to like fucking.
I think you just have responsibilities, guys. You're old with responsibilities. It's just that.
Yeah.
Also, I think with the morning thing, relatively more people are available in that slot. If people want
Not
to come.
true. Way more people are lonely and sad at night.
No. But there are a lot of people streaming. If in the evening, if you see everybody streaming from gamers to everything, so as an audience, if I want to watch something in the morning during this time, there's not, So I think
that's
it's good
true.
to have
But
something
this
in
is
the
a very
morning.
nice vibe right now. In early morning, I've never had the stream like this. I'm just chilling. Like
The
it's a good-
reason I've been on Saurabh's stream so many times is also that. Like if
It
it
gives you a reason to wake up early.
Yeah, no. So if I'm watching a stream and I think I can be on it, I just text, and then just get on the stream. That's how that's.
Oh, but also the 11 o'clock thing. This is a good point, which is that people are usually free. Like usually people are like, I have engagement in the
Mornings.
evening. So like Harsha Bhogle is like, morning is fine. Saturday, cool. I'm like, yes, great. So it's easier to coordinate guests, oddly enough.
Makes sense. But it's crazy that you managed to turn this into a habit, Saurabh. 100 episodes
100 episodes is
is
crazy,
a lot.
man.
It's
Yeah.
crazy. Like it's become a habit now, right? Now you can't imagine life without this morning recurring thing that you do.
Yeah, so I don't know if this happened to you guys, but what happened with me was that I was like, so I had tied in that I'm going to do 4 times a week. And then there was sometimes where I'm like, I'm just filling in that 4th or the 3rd. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm like, ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी पर किया. And then once you get done, you just feel like, you feel cheap and cheated by yourself. You're like, क्या करने की ज़रूरत थी ये? So I think what I'm going to do going forward is that I'm going to do a minimum of 2 per week. And then if 2 more things pop in which are good, then I'll do them. Otherwise, I'll not.
But Saurabh, it's no one will see the darts that's fallen on the floor, right? No one will see the 4th dart, so it doesn't matter. Instead, you aim for 5, then you get the 4th one right.
Yeah.
Overclock it.
But again, like
Okay.
Saurabh, it might even take a more toll on you because you always get guests in the morning podcast. You talk to them, you chill with them. For me, like if I have, like even I have those days where I'm like, yaar, ye kyun kiya? I don't want to do something on that day. I don't want to do something crazy. I just stream by myself, playing some chess, go back to sleep, something like that. So it's not less.
Yeah, but do you really
stress.
love your kids, Saurabh?
I'm not sure. I mean, I like super chats, which provide money for them. And
Yeah,
I'm not even joking, dude. It's like fucking like I started the show because I'm like, yeah, lockdown में कहीं तो पैसा कमाना है. Right? So when I did the first 3 episodes, and I was like, okay, I think one of them made like 10,000 rupees, right? So in my head, I'm doing calculations. I'm like, अगर मैं ये daily करूँ, तो महीने का हो गया, right? Like it's so that was
Yeah.
my initial logic, and then I think the second month of doing this, I was able to pay my EMI, and I'm like, okay, this is
Yeah.
like forget all the creative satisfaction and all the rest. And like at least from a money perspective, it's doing something.
Hmm. Me and
Yeah.
Samay also used to discuss. भाई आज की stream पे इतना बन गया. भाई आज की stream पे इतना बन गया. And now do you still care, Samay?
No, I mean super chats and all. I'm like it's good, it's great. But the membership, the major money I get, I donated to charity because I have realized that my major source of income is coming through brands. Right, like the more numbers I get on my YouTube, the more brands want to promote my stuff.
Correct.
And super chat, okay, people like giving, that's great. And sometimes there are some crazy guys giving 10,000 at once. It definitely adds up. I can definitely up my gear. I can buy a new mic, buy a setup. But major part is still not super chats, it's still the brands.